have a particular shape. For example, a door has a rectangle shape, a window has a square shape, a clock has a circle shape. So today I am going to tell you about shapes. So let's learn shape with me. So the first shape I am going to show you is of a circle. This is a circle. Can you see it? It's round and round with no sides. It's round and round with no sides. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Now let's see some objects having circle shape. This is a clock, a wall clock having a circle shape. Then next we have a biscuit. A biscuit is of a circle shape. Next we have a car, a toy car. The wheels of this car are of circle shape. Then we use this every day to buy things. What is it? It is a coin. Coin is of circle shape. The next shape is a square shape. The square is having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All sides are of same length. They are same. All sides are equal. It's a square having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now let's see some objects having a square shape. So the first thing I have in square shape is a box. A square box having 4 sides of equal size. The next one is a bread which we eat every day. Yes? Yes. So a bread is of square shape. Next we have a handkerchief. A handkerchief is also of a square shape having all sides equal. Kids, it's very fun to make a square with popsicle stick. You can try this at your home. You need 4 popsicle sticks for it. 1, 2, 3 and 4 of equal length to make a square. Next we have a triangle shape. A triangle shape. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Let's see some objects having triangle shape. So the first one is a sandwich. The sandwich is of a triangle shape having 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. A yummy sandwich. Next we have a cloth hanger on which you dry your clothes. Can you see? It's having 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Same like a triangle. Next, I have made a triangle with popsicle sticks. We require 3 popsicle sticks for making a triangle. 1, 2 and 3. Our next shape is a rectangle shape. A rectangle shape. A rectangle also has 4 sides, but all sides are not same. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. It's a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Let's see some objects having rectangle shape. So the first one is a biscuit which you eat every day. It's a biscuit. See, 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Then we have a diary. Here also you can see the 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. So it's of the rectangle shape. Then I have a chocolate, a sweet chocolate. The chocolate also is of a rectangle shape. Then I have made a rectangle using popsicle sticks. Can you see? Here 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. For this I require 6 popsicle sticks. The fifth shape we have with us is a diamond shape. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a kite we fly in the sky. Let's see some objects having a diamond shape. The first one is a kite which we fly in the sky. You like to fly the kites in the sky? Yes. So see, it's like a diamond shape having 4 sides with a thread. You can fly this kite into the sky. Next we have Yes. Next, I have made a diamond with popsicle sticks. Here I need 4 popsicle sticks to make a diamond. Kids, are you ready for some fun activities with the shapes? Okay, great. So let's start. Can you see what's that? I have made a shape pattern chart. Can you see different shapes? All the basic shapes like circle, square, triangle, a rectangle. Let's see what we need to do with this activity. So I'll just fix it on the board and I'll explain it, okay? So kids, as you can see, the first shape here is of a circle, okay? The next shape is of a square. So again we have a circle shape, then we have a square shape. So can you tell me which shape will come next now? Guess? Okay, so the next shape will be a circle shape. So kids, you need to guess the next shape in the series, okay? The shape pattern. This helps you to develop your cognitive thinking skills and your hand and eye coordination. So let's go to the next shape pattern. First we have a rectangle, then a triangle, then a rectangle, then a triangle. So can you tell me which will be the next shape in the shape pattern? Oh, great. It will be, who's that? Who said it? Okay, so the next one will be a rectangle. Let's start with our activity number 2. So the second activity is about sorting shapes. Can you see on the table? I have 2 things with me. One is shape sorting board. So let's see which shapes we have on the shape sorting board. Here we have a rectangle, a square, a circle, a square and a triangle. So and in this plate, can you see this plate? I have all the shapes but they are messed up. So can you help me to put the shapes back to its place? So let's start with this shape. Which is this shape? Guess, tell me which is this shape? This is a square shape. So let's put it back to its place. Okay, square is here. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay, done. Now let's find the second square. Okay, the second square is here. We got it. Okay, so let it put it. Okay. So I have fixed all the squares at its place. Rectangle. Okay, now let's go to this shape. Which is this shape? It's round and round, a circle. So let's put it back to the circle. Okay, done. Good. Let's find the second. We got one more circle. So let's put it back again. Okay. Now I have 2 shapes remaining with me. That is, okay. So let's take this shape. This shape is having 3 sides. That is a triangle. So let's go. Oh, I found triangles here. So okay. I have one more triangle. Okay, now great. I have only one shape left with me. Can you tell me which shape is this? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a rectangle. Okay, I find rectangles placed here. Okay, so let's put it back together. Okay, good. So great. We have sorted all the shapes. Create a beautiful nature with the help of shapes. Yes, you guessed it right. With the help of shapes. So for that I need a white chart paper. This size white chart paper to create my nature. And we need shapes. Some shapes here. Okay. Okay. So here you can see a brown colored. Which is the shape? This is a triangle shape. Okay, so first we'll start by placing mountains. So for mountains I have used triangle shape. a brown color triangle shape for creating mountains. So let's put them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have used 5 triangles, brown color triangles for creating mountains. Now next, let us place the sun. For sun, we require a circle, a yellow color circle, and for its rays, for sun rays, we require 8 rectangles. Okay, so let's place these rectangles. Okay, so we have created a sun with 1 circle and 8 rectangles. Great. So now next we will make a house. So for making a house, I have used a square shape, a pink color square shape. Then for creating a roof of the house, I have used a triangle, blue color triangle. Let's put it. Okay. Then we will make a door for the house, a yellow color door. But which is this shape? This is a rectangle shape. So let's place the door. Okay, great. Then I have 2 green color squares. Can you see which shape it is? It's green color squares. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, correct. It is windows. Okay, so let's place the window. Our house with 3 squares, that is 2 for windows and 1 for the home, 1 triangle for the roof and 1 rectangle for the door. Now I'll place the trees. Now let us create 2 trees. So for the trees I have used 2 green circles. One is short tree and one is a long tree. So this is a short one and this is a long tree, a tall tree. For the trees I have used 2 green circles and 2 triangles for the trunk. Okay, in this way we have created a beautiful nature with using shapes. So you all can make different objects, different activities using shapes. Take a look at this. Here I have created a man with a cap using shapes. This is a truck using shapes. You all can create the same activities using shapes. Okay kids, bye. We'll meet again in another video.